Next example, given dy by dx is equal to 3x plus y by 2, y of 0 is equal to 1. Compute y of 0.2 by taking h is equal to 0.2 using Runge-Kutta method. Of fourth order. Also find the analytical method, analytical solution. Solution. Just first write on the data given. By the data, what is the given differential equation? That is f of xy is 3x plus y by 2. Initial conditions, x naught is 0, y naught is 1. And step length is mentioned here. It is 0.2 now. Now we shall first compute according to this rule. First we have to compute k1, k2, k3, k4. So first compute k1, k2, k3, k4. You know the formulas. Just write on the formula, substitute the respective values. So what is k1? K1 is h into f of x naught, y naught. Then what is h? H is 0.2 f of x naught, y naught. F of x naught is 0, y naught is 1. Then what is the function? 0.2 as it is. Function is in the form of 3x plus y by 2. So it is 3x naught plus y naught by 2. It is of the form. So in this substitute x naught is 1. So 0. 3 into 0 plus y naught is 1 by 2. 0.2. This will be 0. It is 0.5. So it is answer 0.5 into 0.2. It is 0.5. Next, K2. K2 is what? H into f of x naught plus h by 2, y naught plus k1 by 2. Previous value. H is 0.2, f of x naught is 0, h is 0.2 by 2, y naught is 1, k1 is 0.1 whole divided by 2. 0.2 as it is. 0.2 as it is. F into 0.2 by 2, that is 1.1, and 1 plus 0.1 by 2, that would be 1 plus 0.1 by 2, that is 1.05. So now write it in the form of function. So it is K2 is equal to 0.2 into 3 into 0.1 plus 1.05 divided by 2, y naught by 2. So when you simplify it, you will get 0.165. This is K2. After this K3, h into f of x naught plus h by 2, y naught plus K2 by 2. So h is 0.2, f of x naught plus h by 2 already we know it's 0.1, y naught is 1, K2 is 0.165 whole divided by 2. Again when you simplify it, what it becomes? 0.2 into f of 0.1, 1 plus 0.165 divided by 2, it will be 1.0825. So again write it in the form of function. So it is 3 into 0.1 plus y by 2, 1.0825 divided by 2. So when you simplify, you will get 0.16825. This is K3. Now K4. K4 is what? Again it is h into f of x naught plus h y naught plus K3. So h is 0.2, f of x naught plus h is what? 0.2, and y naught is 1 plus 0.16825. So this is nothing but 0.2 into f of 0.2 into 1.16825. So 1.16825. These are the points. Now write it in the form of a function. So it is 0.2 into 3 into 0.2 plus 1.16825 divided by 2. So when you simplify this, you will get K4 as 0.236825. After getting all the values K1, K2, K3, K4, you have to substitute it in the formula of RK method. So we have y of x naught plus h. What is the formula? It is y naught plus 1 by 6 K1 plus 2 K2 plus 2 K3 plus K4. So you know the values. Substitute all the values. That's it. So it is y of 0.2, y naught is 1 plus 1 by 6 into K1 0.1 plus 2 times K2, K2 is 0.165 plus 2 times K3, so it is 1.2 into 0.16825 plus K4, K4 is 236825. So when you simplify, you will get answer as 1.1672. This is the required solution of a differential equation at the point 2, that is 1.1672. Now what they have asked? They asked you to find the solution with respect to analytic method. So using analytical method, we need to prove y of 0.2 is 1.167 or approximately, because this is a numerical method, this RK method. So it's an approximate value, that is 1.1672. Now we'll see how we'll get a solution using the analytical method. So as you know, all the differential equations have certain solution, that is a form of a solution. In the previous semesters you have learned that there are types of differential equations. For them you have respective solution formulas for the differential equations, solutions for formula for the solution of differential equations for different type of differential equations. So using that we'll solve this differential equation. So we shall find analytical solution of the given equation by writing in the form what I told. So we have to rewrite this equation in the standard differential equation form. So in the form dy by dx plus p into y is equal to q, whose solution for such type of equation solution is defined already. So for such type of equation solution is y into e raised to integration of p into dx, that is equal to integration of q into e raised to integration of p into dx plus c. For such type of equations solution is fixed. So we write the given differential equation in this form. So we have dy by dx minus y by 2 is equal to 3 into x. So here p is what now? Dy by dx plus py into q. P is minus 1 by 2. So p is minus 1 by 2. And what is q? Q will be 3x. Then when q is 3x, p is minus 1 by 2, and what will be e raised to integration of p dx, because we want this in the solution. So we will find it separately. So e raised to integration of minus 1 by 2 into dx will be minus 1 by 2 is a constant, take it out, integration of 1 into dx is x. So it will be e raised to minus x by 2. So then the solution becomes y into e raised to minus x by 2 in place of e raised to p dx, integration of p dx, we write e raised to minus x by 2 is equal to integration over q is 3x, again in place of e raised to integration p dx we write e raised to minus x by 2 into dx plus c. Again we integrate RHS by parts, and 3 is the constant, take it out. Integrating RHS by parts we have y LHS as it is, y into e raised to minus x by 2, that is equal to 3 is a constant, take it out. Now x into e raised to minus x by 2 minus 2 minus integration over e raised to minus x by 2 into minus 2 into differentiation of x is 1 dx plus c as it is. So it is 3 into minus 2x e raised to minus x by 2 minus 4 e raised to minus x by 2 plus c. Now what will you do? We multiply this whole equation with e raised to x by 2. So multiply with e raised to x by 2. We get in the LHS only we will left with y when you multiply with e raised to plus x by 2. Yes. Then in the RHS 3 into minus 2 it will be minus 6x as it is, e raised to minus x by 2, e raised to plus x by 2. So it will get cancelled. So only you will left with minus 6x. Minus 3 into 4 12, e raised to minus x by 2, e raised to plus x by 2 cancels, plus c into e raised to plus x by 2. 3 related to only this bracket, that's why only plus c e raised to x by 2. Then applying the initial conditions. What are the initial conditions? Initial conditions are when x is 0, y is 1. That y is equal to 1 at x equal to 0. The solution becomes just substitute in the previous equation y equal to minus 6x in that. So y will be 1 minus 6x, that will be 0, x wherever x is there substitute 0, 12 plus c into e raised to 0. What it gives us? It gives us the value of c. Then c will be 13. Again now by putting, now equation becomes y is equal to minus 6x minus 12 plus 13 e raised to x by 2. Yes. Now in this put x is equal to 0.2. So y will be, that is y of 0.2 is equal to minus 6 into 0.2 minus 12 plus 13 into e raised to 0.2 by 2. So it is minus 1.2 minus 12 plus 13 into e raised to 0.1. Just simplify it, you will get 1.167 2219. Thus y of 0.2 is equal to 1.1672 by analytical method. Just compare both the solutions from numerical method and analytical method. They are equal up to 4 decimals. There may be a little change in the next decimals that can be negligible. So this is the solution using analytical method. Go through the textbooks. You will find some more examples on RK method. It's very easy. In the next class, I will start last method that contains 2 methods. That is a predictor and corrector formula. In that, you are going to learn Adams-Bashforth method and Milne's method. Thank you.